When you are a Puddle Ducks baby and preschool or swim academy customer, 3 times a year your child's lesson will be dedicated to personal survival and water safety skills. It's our pyjama week! By providing your child with the opportunity to feel what it's like to be in the water fully clothed, we can teach them that they can still swim, turn and reach for the side and float. If your child accidentally fell into water, they are not likely to be in swimwear, goggles and a swim hat, so we give them the tools to stay calm and practice those essential life-saving skills, all whilst having lots of fun in the pool.